All right, so I skipped number 1. I'm going to show you number 2, and then you can go back and check number 1 using the same math that we're about to do for number 2. So again, this is also something that we covered the previous lesson, function notation. But I want to cover it one more time because it's a really important topic that I kind of want to keep cycling back in. So we have this function. If f of x equals negative x squared plus x minus 1, what is the value of f of negative 5? So what we need to notice here is that this x became negative 5. Well, what's important is that we have an x here and we have an x here. So those need to become negative 5 as well. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is f of negative 5 equals. Now remember, you keep everything the same except for whenever you have an x, you use parentheses. So we have a negative, that stays the same. Then we have an x, so we're going to start our parentheses. What's in parentheses is everything that's right here, so that's the negative 5. Don't let that double negative trip you up. We saw this a bunch before. Squared goes on the outside of the parentheses, plus another set of parentheses, negative 5, close our parentheses, minus 1. And I've talked a bunch about how we can type this into our calculator. You can type this right into your calculator. I have a calculator up right here. And so let's see what we get. So negative parentheses, negative 5, close your parentheses, squared, plus parentheses, negative 5, close our parentheses, minus 1. And we get negative 31. So this all comes down to precision, making sure we type this in correctly and it looks correct. As long as you do that and you put it in your calculator, you will get the right answer.